When you have video files that are too large, such as DJI or other large-size videos, and your Premiere starts freezing, it is very easy to fix it by creating a proxy. In the project window, select a video or videos, right-click, then Proxy, create proxies, then choose the format you want. I recommend H264 low-resolution proxy. Then select where you want to output these videos. First, Premiere will export the proxy videos in that folder where you have the original videos. And the second one, you can choose for yourself where you want to create the proxy videos. Click OK, and the Premiere will open the media encoder and start rendering your video or videos in low-resolution quality. When the rendering is done, you need to drag out the proxy activation icon from the program monitor window. Press plus, hold, and drag the toggle proxies icon down with the other icons, and press OK. Now click on the proxy button and you will see the difference in the quality of your videos. That's all. Thanks for watching Premiere Pro Quick Tips.